Okay, so hi dear Aquarius, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. Second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 24th till the 30th of March and roles can be reversed also if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions, you can check out the description box, you'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. It's life changing. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very, very long time now. Okay, let's start. Yeah. Aquarius, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. We have the Two of Cups. Okay, honey. So this is someone who is feeling there's a sense of soulmate kind of dynamics between you and this particular person, and what they are looking forward to have it somewhere. Okay, let's clarify the Two of Cups here. Okay, let's see. We have the High Priestess, the Hanged Man, the Three of Cups. Okay, this is someone who is just daydreaming about it, thinking about it, and from all the possible angles, this person is feeling this situation, this connection between you and them is something else. They are feeling very deeply a soulmate kind of dynamics between you and them. This person is somebody that you met in a like a get together in a party somewhere where everybody was celebrating, something like that. But this is somebody who feels like they should not say anything to you about it, or they should not reveal too much to you or about it, but they're feeling a sense of soulmate kind of dynamics between you and them in this partnership. For some of you it could be possible that they're already married or committed to somebody else, and or you are the one married or committed, but still they can't stop thinking about this situation between you and them. There might be a third party equation here, might be for some of you. For others of you, this is someone who is feeling very strange kind of connection between you and them, and they can't express to you, and they're trying their best to surrender to the divine. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? Eight of Swords. So from your side, you feel like no matter how hard you are trying to not to think negative in a particular direction, you can't stop thinking about it, especially in a negative way. Okay, it's like you are in some kind of mental jail. You are trying your best to not to overthink, and the more you are trying to fix something, the more it's getting out of your hands. Let's clarify the Eight of Swords. We have the Queen of Pentacles, the Chariot, the Ten of Swords, right? So you feel like you should just stabilize your own energies, you should remain practical, you should remain grounded, and you feel like no matter how hard you're trying to let go of something or someone out of your system, it's kind of impossible. Hmm? Because you're overthinking, your kind of negative thinking towards yourself is stopping you from getting to the point of stability that you feel like you should have in your life. Okay, honey, happens. We all are humans. It happens. It's a very normal thing. Don't beat yourself for this, honey. It's fine. Yeah, calm down. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? The Moon card. See, their intention is to come out of their fears, hmm, and reveal something to you, maybe. This person wants to come out of their fears, and they just want to stop being so secretive. Okay, that's good. Positive. Let's clarify the Moon here. We have the Four of Swords, the Tower, and the Page of Cups. Yeah, see, this person wants to come out of their not being vulnerable in front of you kind of part and express their feelings to you. It's like they just want to tell you what they are going through, what they're feeling for you, what their intentions are, what their energies are in detail. But right now, they just want to open up. Down the line, they just want to be very honest with you emotionally, and they just want to be like, okay, this, that, this, that, this, that. Hmm. Right now, they just want to open up to you. and this is the biggest thing that they can do for themselves, because they are scared as hell. Okay, so basically this person is somebody who wants to be expressive, or who just wants to express their feelings to you, no matter what's going to happen next. This is what they want, their intention. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? Let's see, honey. We have the Two of Swords. So from your side, you just want to wait and watch. You just want to see where things can go, and you just want to keep yourself at a distance from something or someone, and you just want to see what can happen next. Yeah, let's clarify the Two of Wands, honey. We have the Three of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune, the Nine of Cups. Yeah, because you are heartbroken right now, and there is something that you are still going through, that you are still processing. So you just want to wait for the time, and you are going to be able to open up emotionally to other people, other situation, other things that is going to make you happy. So basically, right now, you just want to focus on your own emotions, and you just want to open up when you are going to feel ready to open up. That's completely normal. That's really good thing, actually. So you just want to keep yourself at a distance from everything or everyone until unless you're 100% sure that this is the right direction to go ahead in. Yeah. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 30th of March. We have the Three of Wands. So it's like the saga continues. The saga of moving on and not looking back is going to continue. Let's clarify the Three of Wands. Okay, so my AC needs servicing, and it's not going up from 24. If I'm not switching it on, I'm feeling hot. If I'm switching it on, I'm feeling cold. My fan is making a lot of noises. God, sometimes little things. Okay, honey, you are just moving on from the past, the painful past. Maybe it happened to you 6 years ago, who knows? But you're still in this energy of processing what happened and moving on. You are still feeling the chaos, the conflict, the loss, or the losses, right? Still, you are in this energy of one foot in, one foot out of a situation of your in your life, but more you are leaning more towards the out situation, the moving out of a situation. It's taking you a lot of strength and a lot of courage to let go of something or someone from your past that you still consider as a soul connection, to be honest with you. But you're doing it anyway, no matter how painful it is, no matter how chaotic it is. You are trying your best to let go of something or someone out of your life, out of your system for good this time, because you got your lessons, you got your blessings, and you're just not willing to invest into this anymore. It's painful. Or for some of you, a painful energy is coming back to you because it was not healed completely. So it is coming back to you, so this time you can heal it properly and let it go properly. Take it how it resonates with you, Aquarius. Maybe you're dealing with the Pisces, right? For you, the guidance here is the Nine of Wands. Yes, definitely stay strong. Definitely take a stand for yourself, and keep yourself protected. But don't forget to be kind, compassionate, and loving and nurturing towards yourself as a mother. Right now, you are like a kid, and all this kid wants is love, unconditional love. The more you are going to be hard on yourself, the more it's going to be difficult for you to move on. So give the all of the love of the universe, like a child, like a mother gives love to the child, so that you can understand that okay, it was a lesson, and it was a blessing in disguise. Actually, I have to move on. I have to do my own thing. Aquarius, this is a very difficult to deal with kind of a situation, and it's happening internally. Everything is happening internally, but trust me, this is happening because this situation is going to teach you something about self love on a very very deeper and meaningful level this time. Yeah, you can trust me, honey, right? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.